Temu is known for its enticing offers and promotional activities that provide opportunities for users to receive free gifts. If you're looking to maximize your chances of getting free items, here are the top 5 proven strategies. First one, participate in Temu minigames and daily activities. Temu frequently offers interactive minigames like Farmland, Fishland, and Spin the Wheel, which are designed to keep users engaged. These games often come with rewards that can be claimed upon completion of a specific task. The second one, utilize Temu's referral and invitation program. Temu rewards users for referring new members to the platform. By sharing your unique referral link or code with friends and family, you can earn various incentives such as gift cards, discount coupons, or even free products. Third one, take advantage of promotional campaigns and events. Temu frequently hosts seasonal events, flash sales, and contests where participants can win free gifts or exclusive discounts. Things like holiday campaigns, limited time challenges, and contest giveaways. The fourth one, maximize new users offer and sign-up bonuses. Temu is particularly generous with new users, offering exclusive deals and welcome gift to incentive sign-ups. The fifth one, stay active and consistent on the platform. Consistency is key when it comes to getting rewards on Temu. The more you interact with the platform, the more likely you are to receive gifts. This includes daily check-ins, weekly quests, and loyalty programs.